welcome to my channel. My name is Kritikan. I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And Holi is around the corner, so I had to share a very yummylicious fusion dessert recipe with all of you guys, and here I am with one. I am talking about the Gulkand Rabri recipe. Yes guys, Rabdi is one of my favorite desserts, and so I thought of adding a special flavor to it to make it, the complete Holi recipe and a complete package of dessert. And I added the flavor of Gulkand. Yes guys, these two flavors go hand in hand, and this recipe turned out to be so yummy. Trust me you guys, this is one of my most favorite recipes, and if you prepare this at home, I am sure everyone is gonna love this one. You definitely need to try this recipe at home. Just to be clear, I haven't used any mawa, condensed milk or any other additive in this recipe. It is a pure milk recipe. And if you want to know how I prepared this very easy Gulkand Rabdi recipe at home, then please keep on watching the video till the end.
For this, we need 1 liter of milk. Add this milk to a heavy bottomed pan and place it on a stove. Let the milk boil for a while. You can keep on stirring the milk just to ensure that it doesn't stick to the pan. After the milk reduces to about half of its original quantity, you can add about 1 tablespoon of sugar to this. This is totally optional and you can absolutely skip it if you do not like your rabdi to be extremely sweet. After 5 minutes, add about 2 to 3 pinches of elaichi powder or the green cardamom powder to the milk. Now add few strands of saffron to it. This will give a beautiful flavor and smell and color to your rabdi. Then add about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of Gulkand. And then give this a nice mix. You do not have to worry about all the malai that is coming on the milk. It is beneficial for our rabdi and it will make its taste even better. Finally add chopped pistachios, some poppy seeds, few rose petals, and give it a nice mix again. All of these ingredients are gonna add such yummy flavor to our rabdi that it will take it to the next level, so you don't wanna miss on them. Finally, just turn off the flame, cool down the rabdi, and your Gulkand Rabri is ready to serve.
So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the recipe. Also share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.